is. So all I'm going to do is pull this apart. You can of course see the prostate gland in cross section with the urethra in the middle. But do you see this side here? See where the urethra comes down here, and then you have the urethra here, and then you have these two holes here. That's where the ureters. See, that's a ureter. So that's where a ureter comes through. That's where a ureter comes through, and that's where the urethra comes out. So that triangle that's formed there, that's the trigony. The triangle right there. Right. Do you see that? So, and of course I could ask about rugae with this model too. This is another one of those models where I could just leave this bladder on the table by itself. And if I did that, I could ask the ureter, the vas deferens, the seminal vesicles, the prostate gland, the urachus, the trigony, the urethra, and the rugae, all together in that one model. And I could even put a question, is that a male or a female bladder? And you should be able to tell it's a male because of the prostate gland and seminal vesicles.
Right. Now where's the, is it the vas deferens here?
Yes.
Till the
Right where, yes. So this is seminal vesicle, vas deferens, right where they merge is the ejaculatory duct. Now this model does not show any part of that. If I put that on the test, I use one of those other models that has a little one drawn in there for you. But yes, if I were to ask where's the ejaculatory duct on here, it's right where those two things merge together. And then those two merge points go through the prostate and attach into the urethra. They're just not showing that.
Okay. Well, okay. Can you put that together for a second?
Yeah.
When you got it like this is the seminal vesicle, right? Or this?
Just this piece. This is vas deferens here.
Okay.
Yeah. So you can see there's two pieces there.
Right. And the flow is it?
Yes, comes down this. So this is the flow of sperm and the little bit of semen produced by the epididymis is coming through here.
Okay.
When it hits that junction, this is when the majority of semen gets added in.
Okay.
It goes through the ejaculatory duct, which is only a few millimeters long.
Vas deferens.
And then immediately hits the prostate gland, where you're going to have basically the rest of the semen. Between the seminal vesicles and the prostate, that's 90% of the seminal fluid.
Okay. Yeah. So it's both flowing to the same direction.
And then eventually flowing to that tube right there inside the prostate. It also, this model here also demonstrates very effectively why older men with prostate problems, that usually shows up first, the symptom that you have is poor urination. Because the prostate, when it gets diseased at all, cancerous, it swells, and the urethra is a collapsible tube running right down to the middle of that donut-shaped organ. So if it swells up at all, it closes off the urethra, and then you have a very difficult time urinating.